Hello, my dear friends. Today, I'm sharing with you a recipe close to my heart, a classic French treat. Macarons with smooth vanilla buttercream. Now don't be shy. Even if you've never made these at home before, I promise you can do it. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll need almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, regular sugar, and of course, a pinch of patience. Start by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar together. This helps make your macarons smooth and lovely like a sweet little kiss from Paris. Next, beat your egg whites until they look like fluffy clouds. Slowly add the regular sugar and keep mixing until you see stiff, pointy tops. Gently fold your dry stuff into the egg whites like you're folding a secret note. You want the batter to flow like thick honey, slow and steady. Pipe small circles onto a baking sheet with parchment paper on it. Give the tray a little tap to let out any tiny air bubbles hiding inside. Let them sit for about 30 minutes. This helps the tops get dry and look pretty and shiny. Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 150 Celsius, for 14 minutes. When they're cool, it's time to make the yummy buttercream. Mix together soft butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, and a little bit of milk. Put a little bit of buttercream on one macaron cookie, put another cookie on top like a sandwich, and there you have it. The first bite is like magic, a little bit crunchy on the outside, then soft and creamy on the inside. That's a taste of France right in your own kitchen. Thank you, my lovely friends, for cooking with me today on Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss out on more family recipes from all over the world. Merci, and I'll see you next time. Aye.